So today we are going to discuss about Quine McCluskey method. So let us have a small recap about K-map. Okay, so in the last class we discussed K-map. So why it is needed? What is the use of K-map? It is used to simplify Boolean expression. So K-map is used to simplify Boolean expression. Okay, so there are some methods of K-map. Okay, so we can use 2 variables, we can use 3 variables, we can use 4 variables, 5 variables, 6 variables. Okay, so today we are going to see about Quine McCluskey. So why it is needed? Okay, so that is empathy of Quine McCluskey method. Because in K-map, if the variables are increased, the complexity also will increase. Okay, so we go for Quine McCluskey method. Okay, and it is easy to analyze. Okay, so for easy to analyze the circuit. So this is one reason, and another reason is if we use K-map, if the variables are increased, the complexity also increases. So we are using Quine McCluskey. Okay, so it is a tabulation method. Using this, we can easily simplify Boolean expression. Okay, so let us have a small problem. So reduce the Boolean expression sum of, that is summation m of m means minterms. Minterm means SOP. What is SOP? Sum of. So summation m of 0, 2, 8, 3, 6, 10, 12, 7 and 13. So in Quine McCluskey method, there are 5 steps. So first step is in step 1 we have to, what is the first step? We have to list the minterms. Okay, and the next step is we have to arrange the minterms according to number of ones. Okay, so for 0 it is m0 minterm, m2, m8, m3, m6, m10, m12, m7, m13. So these are the minterms. Okay, so this is your step 2. So here we have calculated the minterms according to the number of ones in the minterms. Okay, so for 0, so there are no ones. So no ones, number of ones, no ones. Minterm m0 it is 0, 0, 0, 0. So next one is number of ones or 1. So there are 2 terms are present, that is m2. So in m2 only one is present, and for m8 one is present. Here there are 2. Here we have listed number of ones are 2. So there are 4 terms m3, m6, m10, m12. Okay, and 3 ones m7, m9. So in this step we have listed the minterms according to number of ones. Okay, so the next step is we have to combine and compare the minterms with the adjacent higher orders. Okay, so the first one is we have to compare the first term with 0 term. So in 0 there is only one minterm is present, and in the second term there are 2 minterms are present, that is 2 and 8. So we have to compare m0 with m2 and m8. And for the next we have to compare m2 and m8 with all these terms m3, m6, m10 and m12. Okay, so let us start the comparison. So first we have to take 0 and 2. So I have to write 0, 2. Okay, here we have to compare for only one variable. Compare for only one variable. If I have to write all the terms, if the both variables are same, I have to write the variables, and where I have to put hyphen mark where the variable differ. Okay, so 2 and 8. So I have compared here 2 and that is 0 and 2. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 to 0, 0, 1, 0. So in this two minterms, only one term is variable. Okay. So I have to write. So that I am writing 0, 0, hyphen 0. Like this. I have to compare all the terms with okay, all the terms. And the step 4 is again the step 3 is repeated, okay, for these minterms. Okay, so here I am comparing 0 2 with 2 3 2 6 2 10 8 10 8 12 and 0 8 with 2 3 2 6 2 8 8 10 8 12. Okay, and this variable with 3, 7, 6, 7, 12, 13. Okay, so this is step 2. And step 5 is I have to list out the prime implicant and essential implicant. So what is prime implicant? The terms that cannot combine with any other terms is called prime implicant. Essential implicant, the terms combined with any one of the at least one of the term is called essential implicant. So I have listed 0 to 8, that is essential implicant, and 8, 12 and 12, 13 are prime implicants. And the last step is I have to tabulate all the prime implicant and essential implicant. So first we have to write the variance and list out the prime and essential implicant. And here we have to put the star mark for 2, 8, 2, 0, 2, 8, 10 and 2, 3, 6, 7. So we have to put star marks for the minterms, and again we have to compare for 1 star and 2 stars. So the final answer is 0 to 8, 10, 2, 3, 6, 7, 12, 13. So for 0 to 8, 10 is hyphen 0. That is we can write. So hyphen means no variable. So another in B place it is 0. So B bar, and C place no variable. So we can omit, and in the last position it is 0. So we can write B bar. Similarly, all the terms we can write the variable. So the final answer is B bar plus A bar C plus A B C bar. Okay. Can anyone summarize today's topic?
Yes, ma'am. This method is called Quine McCluskey method or tabulation method. Why it is used is to easily to analyze the Boolean expressions, and compared to Karnaugh map, it is easy to analyze because while increasing the variables, it is easy to analyze in the tabulation method. And there are 6 to some steps in that. First step, list out all the minterms and its binary values. And second step, sort the minterms based on the number of ones present in that. And step 3, compare the adjacent terms with the adjacent terms, and write only the one difference terms alone. In step 4, from the step 3, compare again with the step 4. And in step 5, write only the implicant terms like prime implicants and essential implicants. In step 6, list all the implicants in the tabular form. In step 4, we get the answers.